I just ate a whole fucking meal, bro. That fucking noodles were so fucking big, so fucking hard to eat because it's so fucking big, and the quantity is so fucking much. I mean, it's and the quantity is so fucking much. I mean, I think it was fucking 190 something. Yeah, well, I did not expect it to be that big, to be honest with you. So yeah, fuck. Yeah, so now I'm at the park, and yeah, they just went off to feed the baby, and now I'm doing solo. Yeah, I'm just solo for quite a bit. Let me show you the surrounding. I mean, so far Taiwan has been great. I think that, I mean, I don't know where in town we are, so what part of town this is, so I don't really know if this is like a good part of the town, if you know what I mean. You know, is this the BGC of Taiwan? Is this the what? Loton, Legarda? I don't really know. So muntik pa matapon. Anyway, yeah, I mean, it's quite hard to vlog because we have a kid, we have a baby, and yeah, I need to carry a lot of things because of that. So for now, I think, I don't know if we're gonna proceed to Manila Zoo to Taipei Zoo, because it's already almost noon, and I mean, fuck, I just pressed the circle to search, bro. Okay, malapit na mag-noon. Sorry, but like, the weather is very cloudy, so I think it's okay for us to be out about even if it's noon time. I mean, okay, look at this, right? The 1x para medyo malinaw. See? It's quite cloudy, especially in that area. It's very cloudy. So I think it's gonna be okay even if we go and proceed with Taipei Zoo. So yeah, I mean, it's my second time. It's good to be back. I've not regained a lot of the memories that I had coming here for the first time, so hopefully I remember some things, you know. That'd be fucking awesome. I didn't really film that much before, so now I'm just filming a lot of things. So yeah, I want to explore this like solo. I don't know if I'll be allowed to. I'd definitely love to walk around town, you know, even just explore the area. So yeah, I mean, I think I'll just go back to the hotel for now, so I could return this jacket, because it's not that cold here just yet. I mean, I think summer just ended, so as of the moment it's just like we're entering autumn or the fall season, which is, yeah, it would be fucking awesome. Oh fuck, you can see my fucking stomach, mate. What the fuck? Going to 10th floor. Yeah, I mean, vlogging with the Z Fold 6 is definitely awesome. And I can see my fucking stomach. here at Taipei Zoo. May station pala. Ngayon pala hindi ko kita sa bawah. Ganito pala dapat. Para kita ko lang dito. Pero pag binaliktad ko, kita ko pa rin. So dito lang hahawakan.
Dito tayo doon sa ano?
Sa Taipei Zoo. Rock!
Taipei Zoo. Taipei Zoo yun. Wala pa ko lang. No? Dito rin Taipei Zoo. Wala pa ko lang.
满6岁幼儿不用买票。欢迎。
Galaxy Z Fold 6. Sabay partneran mo ng Galaxy Watch 7. Kita mo lahat ng ginagawa mo.
Hina pala ka.
Paano mo yung gate? Video. Tulog pa. Tulog pa. Taiwan Zoo. Rock. Dali talaga ng buhay mo pag naka-Galaxy Z Fold 6 ka, tol, bili ka na tol. Ang ganda ng vlog, di ba? Kasi naka-Galaxy Fold 6 ako eh. Ayos pala dito, meron silang parang sprinkler system. Di kita eh. Kanina, ewan ko na video ko. Pero yon, may sprinkler system sila para hindi sobrang init ang paligid din. Moist.
Para saan na yan, Nak? Para sa Video Island.
Meron ba doon?
Oo. Hindi matandaan.
Kailangan na natin bumalik.
Bakit?
Para matandaan ko. Gising na ang bossing. Pwede na kami mag-ikot.
Naklok na nga lang.
May na-picture ako na yun. Bear. Bear.
There's your baby. There's your baby.
Live reaction. Panda.
Wait, ako ako.
Yan. Punta kami ngayon sa Formosan Animals, kung ano man ibig sabihin nun. Punta kami ngayon sa Panda. Bebe, Kai! Kai! Birthday na ni Mika. Birthday na ni Mika. Birthday! Birthday! Let's get... Kai! 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 Psst, psst, psst. Bebe! Bebe! Takot siya. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o.
Wah, pag binitawan ko, takot.
Kumakaway ka na eh. Hamunin mo, hamunin mo. Hamunin mo yun. Ano yun? Pasumbayin mo nga ito din. Bye-bye. Hello. Kaya talaga kanina eh. Hello. So we're out here. This is, I think may mga ibon dito kasi enclosed yung space. So you know, so very enclosed. Yun know, tira mo yung mga gates nila, may parang bakal para hindi sila makadaan. Yung may ano, may Macau ba yun? Basta yung sa Angry Birds, tukan pala, tukan. Yung yan, pasok tayo dito. Watch your head. Watch your head. Gilid. Mas hindi pa ikaw nito. Okay, so this is not really supposed to be a day in my life with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but honestly, yeah, it's not a one-day phone for me. I think it's probably because I didn't leave the house with 100%, and also I did not. Oh, I'm filming in 4K 30 for like quite some period of time. I think I am in portrait mode as well, but anyway, yeah. Got some monkeys, orangutans in the house, baby. Oh, I zoom. It does not zoom. Somewhere over there. Anyway, yeah. When it's a good vlog phone, I'd probably get the Z Fold or Z Flip 6 compared to this one. Mostly because with that one you can just literally see the screen in a smaller form factor, which makes vlogging much more easier. since have this small square foil compared to this rectangle. I mean, it's fine because I've got big hands, so yeah. Mamaya na ako uuwi. Bibi. Flamingo yan.
Flamingo.
Do flamingo, eh. Ano reaction mo?
Hindi na umingay. Pag umingay yan.
Nonchalant. Kulay mink. Kulay mink. Wow! Wow! Pauwi na kami. Galing ng Taipei Zoo. At hindi mo alam na magko-commute lang kami. Ang mahal ng taxi kanina. Yun, pauwi na kami. Very okay day. I don't know kung nakailang steps kami actually. 833. That's it's not a lot. Pero may bata kasi, so hindi talaga makakarami. But yeah, I mean, it's fine. So, vlog-vlogan naman tayo ng boss. Dahil na, ba't nakatayo ka na naman? Hindi ka na naman hindi, naka-portrait pala. Never mind. Ay, naka-landscape. So, tama lang yan. Dapat talaga naka-landscape siya. So, yun, balik kanina. Mas maganda nga ata talaga yung frame. Kasi mas balik. Square lang. Kasi, para ka, square rin naman. Pero, malaki. Kung malaki naman, malaki kamay ko, kaya okay lang. Parang bagay sa akin. But, ayan. Nakamas na tayo kasi sinisipon na ako, gago. Pero yun, punta tayo Ximending. Konting aberya sa tren. Hindi naman aberya, madali lang naman na resolba. Buti may info doon, may mga taong tagabantay. Okay. So papunta tayo ng Ximending, bibili tayo ng dinner, early dinner. Only 5, magpa 5 PM pa lang. And lalakarin na lang natin pabalik. I think yun na yun eh. Yun na ata yun. But yeah, pabalik lang tayo ngayon muna kasi gusto natin ng street food. Yan. Balag-balagan na naman. Ibon. Okay. Inisipon ako. Lintik. Pero yun, solid. Sana may Z Fold 6 pa rin ako kung magja-Japan man kami, pero baka hindi pa sa ngayon. So, very hot in here. Para lang siyang Maynila pero less lagkit, kasi I don't know kung bakit, pero less lagkit. So obviously solid naman dito. Very walkable city. I like it a lot. Taipei City Police Department Service. Malaki pa sa labas. Gago, ba't nagbabibrate? Yung ano lang pala. So walking tayo ngayon. Ayun, ayun pala. Ayun nga, tama lang. Ayun. So yan. Vlog-vlogan na naman. Tangina, na-expose ang noo ko. Ganda dito. Gagi, ang presko kahit nasa gitna ako ng syudad. Which is great. Very great. Di pa ako nakakaamoy ng masangsang. Siguro dahil upper class yung lugar. Pero yun, tayo na puro vibrate dahil dyan. May nakaharap. Yung
Sila yung hotel din dito.
hi baby. Anya niya bebe.
Pagbata tayo isa eh.
Solid, diba? Samsung ad. Tatluhan gar. Habang hawak ko ang Z Fold 6. Nike yan eh.
Tayo, pahinga.
Kala ko ba magagala tayo? Kung walking
Parang susid, tatlo na.
loko. Ale.
Hindi na kaliliit lang ah.
Yun na yun. Yun na yung day 1. Ako tinatamad ako mag-edit na parang sobrang aangasan yung pagkaka-edit. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang memory lang siya. Tapos, hindi nang makailangan angasan yung edit. And hindi rin ganun kaganda yung clips para sa ganung klaseng edit sa mapapaangasan. So, parang nangyari, compilation lang. And siguro, yun na rin yung gagawin ko for lahat. Kasi, hindi naman kasi talaga to for vlog eh. Well, technically for vlog, pero ayun. Basta yun, alam mo na yan. Subscribe.